Good morning from Kashan. Good morning, guys. It's the first morning in Kashan and I stay in a very beautiful old historical house in Kashan. There are plenty of historical houses like this in Kashan because Kashan is known as one of the oldest city in Iran. Let me show you a little bit of tour of the guest house. Super cool. After quite some intense day yesterday in Qom, I arrived in Kashan last night and I felt much better. I kind of like the area. As you see, it's old houses and very beautiful. It feels like we're traveling back to time. Apparently this is an old mosque. Look at that. I was just guided by Omid, this guy. I think he's... You wanna say hello?
Hello.
Hello, Omid.
Hello.
So Omid just showed me the backside of this old mosque that has a very beautiful dome to it. Super cool. So I kind of forget how does it feel to really backpacking and traveling, because this past year it's been only within China itself, and well, it was start to be convenient because I could speak the language and everything. Traveling to a new total different country felt new and different. I didn't expect myself to be struggling with vlogging, not because, yeah, some of areas says that there is no photography allowed, but a lot of the times it's because how I felt, and a lot of the times it's not so practical to even put a camera like this and shoot. You have to be respectful to the local tradition or whatnot, and also at the same time, it's so much hassle when you move to one place to the other. I'm invited by a local seller to drink tea. How nice. Huh? Japan?
Japan, China,
Oh, Indonesia.
Indonesia. Oh yes.
Indonesia.
Yes.
But I live in China.
China.
Ah.
Ja, wir können sagen. Fast. Ich mir ansah.
Merci. Say
Merci.
hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Welcome.
Thank you. What's your name?
Your name is Ali.
Ali. Hello, Ali. I'm Shifa. Okay.
Bohor.
Hello.
Hello. Mr. Jaffery.
Jeffrey.
Jeffrey.
Hello.
Your name Amir.
Amir. Okay. So this guy is asking my Instagram. You have Instagram? Instagram? You have? Oh, cool.
Ali Charimi Messiah.
Ali have it.
Messiah.
So I'm trying to buy a ring. And then I'm asking how much. He says hadiah.
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 Indonesia also say hadiah.
Indonesia. China.
China. Iran. Kashan.
Oh, Kashan very good. Kashan very good.
Which means that he gave it for free. Super, super nice. I'm so touched. Merci.
Merci. Merci.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Khodafis.
Khodafis.
We are currently going to Sultan Amir Ahmed Bathhouse, which is a traditional Iranian bathhouse that was built in the 16th century. So we have just arrived at the public bathhouse. To enter the small hammam, small bathroom entrance. This is a cloak room. This is dress and undress section. This is where if you want to undress before going to the public bath house like this. Wow. This is another historical house. Look at that. We are entering a wintry room. Look at the tiles. So this historical house is used to be owned by a very rich merchants, I suppose. So this is actually a real houses that was owned by people in the past. This is the central room. Oh, it's super beautiful. The windows are colorful, and so when the sun hit, it becomes super colorful. If you are into historical stuff, I think you very much will like this type of thing. I am even super impressed. We're going to enter a mirror room. Wow. I wish that you're here to experience this too. Colorful windows again. So this is the summer room, which means during the summertime a lot of people are summoning here because there is a wind tower. So I believe that a lot of wind goes through and it cools down the place. I'm currently at Kashan Bazaar. I don't think you'll be tired of looking at bazaar in each and every different cities in Iran. Look at the roof, guys. Isn't that amazing? That's pretty much about it for today in Kashan. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and for your positive support. I hope that I get to see you again in my next video. Bye bye.